If you need a dessert that looks fancy but is genuinely easy, make these mini trifle cups. The layers stay clean, the cake doesn't get soggy, and that cheesecake cloud filling is the reason people go back for seconds. Here's the lineup: cake cubes, a quick blueberry lemon swirl, and a no-bake cheesecake style cream. And the secret, a buttery cornflake coconut crunch layer that protects the cake so your cups stay gorgeous. Start with the crunch layer. Toast cornflakes and coconut in a little butter with a pinch of salt until it smells nutty and the coconut is lightly golden. This is the no soggy trifle insurance. Spread it out and let it cool completely. It gets crisp as it cools, so don't judge it while it's warm. For the swirl, warm the blueberries with a squeeze of lemon until they pop and get juicy. Add lemon zest for that bright, fresh flavor. Now stir in a spoonful of sweetened condensed milk. It makes the swirl glossy and a little thicker so it layers beautifully instead of running everywhere. Next, the cheesecake cloud. Beat the cream cheese until it's completely smooth like frosting. This is where you prevent lumps. Mix in sweetened condensed milk slowly, then add vanilla, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. It should look thick and glossy like a rich cheesecake base. Whip heavy cream to soft peaks. You want it fluffy but still creamy. Soft peaks give you that light, mousse-like finish. Fold the whipped cream in gently. Don't stir hard. Folding keeps it airy. When the streaks disappear, stop. That's your cheesecake cloud. Cut your cake into small cubes. If you want extra lemon aroma without extra liquid, toss the cubes with just a pinch of zest sugar. Super simple, big payoff. Layer like this: crunch, cake, cheesecake cloud, then blueberry swirl. Repeat if your cups are tall. And if you're making these ahead, save the final crunchy sprinkle for right before serving. Chill the cups for at least 2 hours so the cream firms up. Then garnish and serve. For the full written recipe, make ahead timeline, and variations, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.